Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome to this presentation where we're going to break down this quadratic scenario or item by giving the response. And thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please support the channel by subscribing and hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload any video. Like and share. So let's dive into the video. We have our scenario. It reads, your uncle has a piece of land with length twice its width. He wants to construct a rectangular apartment in an area of 1000 meters squared, which reduces the length and the width of the plot by 10 meters. Then we have our task. Using mathematical statements, help the architect to find out the actual dimensions of the apartment. So we can straight away begin by writing our response. We can begin by writing, so we can select the width of the plot BW. Then its length is, because they said it's twice width, so it is 2 multiplied by W. We can try to come up with the outlook. In the case I have a rectangular plot, because it said having width, and then so we can have that. If this is our plot, the apartment they are talking of is the one inside they are to construct. It is 1000 meters square area. Then the plot, they said we have the width, and then this is the length, which is twice the width. They say that the apartment is to reduce the plot by 10 meters. By 10 meters. That means from here to there, it's gonna be maybe 5 meters. Also from here to there, it is 5 meters. Also here, 5 meters. Likewise, from here to there, 5 meters. And they want us to find the actual dimensions of the apartment inside here, whose area is 1000 meters square. That means we need to first find the width of the apartment and then the length of the apartment in terms of W. So we said that the width of apartment is gonna be W. Since they said this is by 10, so we have minus 10 meters. Then the length of apartment is gonna be, we are going to get the twice the width minus still 10, and this is now the length of the apartment. So what we are going to do, in case since we are given the area of the apartment, which is inside here, we are going to multiply this and then equate to 1000 square meters. So this implies that we are going to have that area of the apartment equals to the length times width of the apartment, but the area is given as 1000 square meters, so we can have 1000 equals to our length of the apartment is twice W minus 10 multiplied by our width, which is W minus 10. So this is the same as 1000 equaling to 2W squared minus 2W times negative 10. We are getting minus 20W. Then negative 10 multiplied by W have minus 10W. Then negative 10 multiplied by negative 10, we are getting a plus 100. We collect like terms, or we first simplify. We have 1000 equals to 2W squared minus 30W plus 100. Let us collect like terms and we form a quadratic equation. This implies that I'm going to have twice W squared minus 30W plus 100 minus 1000 should be equal to 0. This is the same as having twice W squared minus 30W minus 900 equals to 0. We can see that there is a common factor everywhere. I can divide it through by 2. I have to divide by 2, by 2, by 2. So that we have W squared minus 15W minus 450 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which can be solved by our methods of solving any other quadratic equation. But in this case, we are going to use factorization because I can see it is factorizable, whereby we have the sum of factors giving us negative 15 and then the product of factors giving us negative 450. So in here, the factors we are to use 15 and negative 30. So we say that if we multiply them, or if we add them, if we add the 15 plus negative 30, we are getting negative 15, which is our sum of the factors. Then if we multiply them, like we're getting a product of factors, it will be 15 multiplied by negative 30, which gives us negative 450, which is the product of factors. So this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization method. You can watch a video about factorization method and other methods like completing squares and use of the quadratic formula. The links are there in the comment section. So let's now proceed. So it implies that we have W squared plus 15W minus 30W minus 450 equals to 0. Let's factorize. What's common here is W. We pull it out. What remains here is W plus what remains here is 15 minus the common here is 30 into what remains here is W plus what is going to remain here is 15 should be equal to 0. So the common here is now W plus 15 and here we shall have remained with W then minus 30 giving us 0. So you can say that either W plus 15 equals to 0 implying that our W equals to negative 15 or our W minus 30 equals to 0 implying that our W equals to the positive 30. So we can see that we have two values, one of which is negative. So we can first leave this one out. We proceed with this one. We can now go back where we left. We say that the width of the apartment is W minus 10 meters. Then the length is 2W minus 10. It's going to be in meters. So we're just going to use 30 and substitute. So for width of the apartment, which is W minus 10, it implies that we are going to have the 30 minus 10. This gives us 20 meters. That is width. For length, we said that we have 2W minus 10, which is the same as, let's substitute for W equal to 30. This is the same as 2 multiplied by 30, take out 10. This gives us the 60 minus 10, which is 50. You can see that you have 50 meters as length of the apartment. We can now conclude by saying that therefore the length and width of the apartment are 50 meters and 20 meters respectively. So you can prove here, see that if you have 50 multiplied by 20, our answer is going to be 1000 meters squared, which is the one given as the area of the apartment, which is to be constructed here. You can also watch a playlist of videos about quadratic equation. It is here. You can just tap on it. And thanks for watching. See you again.